how to log into Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily log in into Facebook Messenger. Whether you're using the app or the web version, we have got you covered, so let's just dive right into the video. First of all, open up the Facebook Messenger app on your phone and go to the Messenger website or your computer if you are at a computer by going to messenger.com. And if you're on the app, you should see the login button right away. So here. Now you're going to enter your Facebook login credentials. You need to type in your email or your phone number and then enter your Facebook password. And once you've entered your details, tap on the login button to proceed. Now you should be logged in and taken straight into your message inbox, where you can start chatting with friends and send new messages and more. Alternatively, if you don't have a Facebook account, you can still log in into Messenger using just your phone number. Simply tap on Not on Facebook and enter your number and follow the prompts, and that is it. Now you know how you can log in into Facebook Messenger. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.